In this video, we'll learn how to mount the camera and the IPC, connect them, and capture images using the camera. Open the camera package and take out the items. These items include the camera, screws, zip ties, and so on. The standard items also include the IPC, cables, and the calibration board. Also, you need to check other items required by your solution according to the container packing list. After checking all the items, mount the camera to the camera mounting frame, and use screws to secure it. Please remember to remove the lens protection film for a new camera. After the camera is secured, connect the DC power cable and the Ethernet cable to the camera. Follow the cable mounting guidelines for cabling and securing the cables. The power cable has a 4-pin M12 connector, and is installed on the DC 24-volt interface. The Ethernet cable has a 8-pin M12 connector, and is installed on the Ethernet port. Connect the power cable of the IPC. Connect the HDMI cable to the monitor. Power on the IPC. Power on the camera. Connect the Ethernet cable of the camera to the IPC. Insert the dongle. Connect the robot to the IPC. Plug one end of the Ethernet cable into the side of the IPC, and plug the other end into the robot controller. The LED indicator will be lit as shown here. After hardware connection, open Mech-Eye Viewer. Select the camera to be connected. Click the setting icon to modify the camera IP address. Please make sure the IP address of the camera must be in the same subnet as that of the IPC. Click Apply. Then, connect the camera. Confirm that the vision system can capture images normally. Place workpieces at the center of the camera's field of view. Ensure the workpieces on the edge and top are all within the field of view. Select the built-in parameter group threaded rod. Click Capture once. Make sure that the captured images meet the following standard. The 2D image is neither overexposed nor too dark. The surface features of the threaded rods are clear. In depth map and point cloud, all relevant parts of the threaded rods can be recognized. If the captured images do not meet the required standard, please use Mech-Eye Viewer to adjust camera parameters. By the way, in this project, deep learning will assist in the subsequent target object recognition. Thus, to expedite the project deployment, once the image quality meets the requirements, please follow the image data acquisition guidelines to ensure the data application for training the deep learning model. Details on model training can be found in the previous video, Training and Application of Instance Segmentation Model. Now, we have finished setting up the hardware for the vision system. You can refer to the documentation for more information on hardware setup operations.